Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel Animal Aspects, where we break down all things awesome in the world of dogs. Today, we have got a heavyweight shutdown for you. In one corner, we got the Cane Corso, the Italian powerhouse with a noble history, and in the other corner, it's the Presa Canario, the muscle from the Canary Islands with a serious attitude. If you're a dog lover or just love a good shutdown, you won't want to miss this. Let's get into it. Okay, first let's talk about where these dogs come from. The Cane Corso is from Italy. It's a big muscular dog with a strong protective instinct. Back in the day, they used to guard property and hunt with the Romans. How cool is that? The Presa Canario, on the other hand, comes from the Canary Islands in Spain. This breed is also pretty huge and muscular. It's known for being a protector too, and in the past they used it for herding cattle and guarding. Now let's get into what these dogs look like. Both are large, but they have some differences. The Cane Corso typically weighs between 90 to 120 pounds, while the Presa Canario can go from 80 to 130 pounds. The Presa Canario a bit stockier, and the Cane Corso has more athletic build. They both have short coats, but the Cane Corso usually has a shorter muzzle and often has cropped ears. The Presa Canario head is more rectangular and its ears are often cropped. Both these breeds are known for being protective, but they act a little differently. The Cane Corso tends to be more trainable and love to please its owner. It's really loyal and can be affectionate with its family and kids. But around strangers, it can be a bit reserved, so you need to socialize it early. The Presa Canario, on the other hand, is more independent and can be a bit bossier. It's super protective and can be wary of new people. Just like the Cane Corso, you need to start training and socializing it early. Because it's more assertive, the Presa might be a better fit for someone with experience handling strong-willed dogs. Both these breeds need consistent training and socialization. They also need plenty of exercise to burn off their energy. Since they are big and strong, you all want to do activities that challenge them physically and mentally. The Cane Corso might be easier to train, but they both need firm and consistent leadership. So which breed should you choose? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want a dog that's a bit more affectionate and trainable, go with the Cane Corso. If you prefer a dog that's more independent and assertive, the Presa Canario could be a perfect match. Whichever breed you choose, recall that they both need dedicated owners willing to put in the work to train and socialize them properly. These are big powerful dogs, so it's important to understand what you're getting into. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know which breed you prefer and why. I'll see you in the next video.